Hello there. Nothing fancy in this video, just some clips captured on the dash cam in the Q4 with some random happenings. So starting off, the truck up here trying to accelerate up the hill. A couple of cars are put in the overtake, and then the guy in the Kia decides he fancies a bit as well, which would be great apart from the Volvo coming the other way and the fact that it's on a bend. It's a little replay so you can see how close that came. Close enough that I thought it was going to be an accident and had backed off a bit, and the Range Rover behind me had put on his brakes as well. Totally different scenario this time. This is the roundabout at the end of the M8 at Hermiston Gate. So just heading to the retail park to get coffee. This should be nice and straightforward. Traffic lights on the roundabout, nice marked lanes. What could possibly go wrong? So the Audi in front's heading off. They head out to the lane. I start to get a little bit worried about what the taxi's going to do. And sure enough, yeah, professional driver though. So back to the A702, 60 miles an hour limit. There is a slow sign here, and coming up you'll see why there's a slow sign. Sometimes people just pull across, which would be a problem if you're doing 60. Different day, same section of road, but slightly further on this time. Again, if you're doing 60, this is more of a problem. But I tend to back off at this bit anyway. Just use the regen to slow me down for this guy pulling out slowly. I've posted a few videos of this junction. It's absolutely brilliant. You've no idea what's going to happen next. This time, the pre-sense in the car didn't like it at all. So we're driving along in a 40. The van pulls off, ready to go up the hill, and then, boom, there's a car there. Because, of course, there is. Slightly further back on the same road, this guy, for some reason, just about hits the pavement. I'm not sure if he actually clipped it or not. No obvious reason why. Just seemed to be cutting it really close for some reason. But not quite as close as this guy on the same section. We'll have a bit of both lanes, and then just have a little shot of the curb as well. Great work, great work. And a little replay of that for you, just in case you missed it. Oops. And finally, this one woke me up on my way to work. I was definitely wide awake after this. The camera doesn't really capture how close that actually was, but I was pretty sure we were going to clip. And once again, in slow-mo, and zoomed in a little bit just so you can see the corner of the car a little bit better. Pretty close. Right, that's all I've got for you in this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll put details of the dash cam in the description. Catch you next time.